to Make Friends with the Dark by Kathleen Glasgow, and here's my 4-star review in under 2 minutes. I actually own all 3 books that Kathleen Glasgow has written. The only one I haven't read yet that is on my TBR is You'd Be Home Now. I read Girl in Pieces last year. It was not my favorite. However, I absolutely loved this one. As you guys can see, I did do quite a bit of tabbing. And as someone who grew up with a he who shall not be named father, I definitely related to the main character, Tiger, in so many different ways. Especially because my mom and I had the same relationship that Tiger and her mom had. And I'm not gonna lie, I definitely cried throughout this book thinking about if I had been in Tiger's position and what it would have done to my mental state. And this book truly shows the raw and real side of grief, especially in teens and young adults. A quick summary of this book is that it's about a girl named Tiger who is struggling with grief after losing her mom. She ends up in the foster care system, and it follows her journey through grief for, I believe, the first 2 months. There are a few twists in this book that I did not see coming in any way, shape, or form that made the book so much better, and I cannot recommend reading it enough.